Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply filters on your search in the CCC app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the CCC app. On the bottom in the menu bar you can tap on the second icon, the search icon, and search by some shoes. And on the top right corner you can see this icon. If you tap on it, this is the filter. You can choose the size, what you are looking for, the brand, for example. Tap on select on the bottom, the price, say between 171 and 282. You can select the color, tap on select on the bottom. You can select a material, tap on select. Can select the bottom of the shoes, tap on select on, and here you can select some other stuff too. And after you finished, you can select here on the top the sort, for example the new ones, or with the discount, or by price, and tap on this black button on the bottom. And here you can see the shoes selected by your filters. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.